Welcome to China Aviation News. Here is CAN Press. I'm Wu Jianfei. At first, let's look at the news of the week. On September the 20th, during the period of the second AOPA Aviation Festival, China's first unlimited economic team organized by Zhao Wei, the first Chinese of unlimited aerobatic, was formally founded, which means China has set foot in unlimited aerobatic that was once donated by European and American pilots. On September the 20th, China's first electric aircraft with independent electoral property rights, RX-1E2 satellite electric aircraft, was officially issued during the second AOPA Aviation Festival. The aircraft has two seats with a maximum cruising speed of 150 km per hour, a highest lift-off distance of 3 km, a maximum takeoff weight of 480 kg, a takeoff distance of 290 meters, and a landing gliding distance of 560 meters. On September the 6th, the first Airbus A350 XWB elevator produced by the Airbus Composite Material Manufacturing Center of Harbin Hafei Industry was delivered successfully in Harbin. Gonzalez, Chief Operations Officers of Airbus China, said the delivery of the first elevator of A350 wide-body aircraft is a milestone during the development of the manufacturing center. Meanwhile, other assembly units also produced by the center will be delivered later. On September the 6th in Shenyang, Liaoning Province, International Aerobatic Flight Demonstration Team from America, France, Republic of Lithuania, and Sweden got together at the second Faku Aviation Festival to rehearse aerobatic flight. Themed as Free to Fly, this is the first domestic aviation festival with the largest scale to aerobatic flight demonstration, during which some internationally well-known aerobatic flight demonstration team will conduct the over-water air column and high-altitude airfoil walking performance. At 13 o'clock of September the 17th, a light-wings WPO-1N 322Z aircraft of American Mesh 1 aerobatic flight demonstration team with American pilot David Riggs and the Chinese translator fell into the Cai Lake when it conducted a test flight after being sampled at Caihu Airport in Faku Country, Shenyang City. The translator died after invalid rescue. 3 days later, on September the 20th, after 17-hour search and rescue with more than 500 people and a number of ships by using advanced underwater sonar technology, finally, the remains of the pilots were salvaged out of the water. On September the 13th, AVIC Xinhang held its 2013 Technology Conference in Xinxing Theater in Xinxiang to plan for a better future by making summaries of the past work and formulating new plans for the development of science and technology work. On September the 12th, in Yanliang, the fuel system of ARJ21700 completed its onboard ground test flight for applicant to show conformance, and test flight examined by official unit. Until now, ARJ21700 aircraft has finished all its first system testing. On September the 6th, Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation and the China Rescue and Salvage of Ministry of Transport signed 2 new purchase contracts, including buying 8 S-76D SAR helicopters. Since August 6, 2002, when the C-11 helicopter for aerial photography was delivered to CCTV, until now it has flown safely for 2,384 hours, taken off and landed for 2,482 times, and achieved an average annual flight hours of more than 200 hours. According to confirmed information, it keeps a perfectness ratio of over 99% and 100% rate, which helps the helicopter win a good reputation. Recently, AVIC Radar and Electronics Equipment Research Institute has completed the development of X-band SAR radar of high resolution and completed the polarization and related flight checking task, getting the first image of synthetic aperture radar of complete the polarization in domestic high-resolution aviation system. Recently, after Hong Kong Express Highway plans to formally enter the low-cost flight field in this October, Singapore low-cost airline Scoot also announced to enter Hong Kong market by opening routes from Singapore to Hong Kong. The company will issue its detailed development program next week. Now let's have a short break. Welcome back. On September the 17th, Boeing 787-9 completed its maiden flight, and it is expected to be delivered to Air New Zealand in mid-2014. 24 customers in the world in total ordered 388 Boeing 787-9, taking 40% orders of Boeing 787, among which Air China has booked 15. At present, the number 19 Super Typhoon Usagi of this year is approaching coastal areas from Huilai to Taishan in Guangdong province. It will go ashore during afternoon to evening period on 22nd as typhoon or super typhoon. Now, Guangzhou, Fujian, and Hainan have launched anti-typhoon on emergency response. Influenced by Usagi, today many airlines cancelled inbound or outbound flights in Xiamen, Shantou, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Zhuhai, Hong Kong, and Macau. Recently, Guangzhou Airport Economic Zone Industrial Development Planning is seeking for opinions publicly. Guangzhou Airport Economic Zone will form the overall pattern of industrial development based on 7 fictional areas. We're calling forward 9 key construction projects, including building Guangzhou Aircraft Maintenance Industrial Base and modern composite material maintenance center to provide maintenance service for new aircraft such as Boeing 787. In the morning of September the 21st, after completing scheduled test task, Liaoning ship pulled into a naval port in Qingdao. During the test, all the shipboard aircraft completed more than 100 flights, including test flights on sea, such as the J-15 shipboard fighter took off with a maximum weight as long of stub runway, landed on the carrier and the maximum weight of the resistance, and took off and landed equipped with various weapons. It marked the success of continuous takeoff in short time and the recall of multi-pipe shipboard aircraft of different models. Taiwan's military said on September the 21st, Taiwan had bought 12 P-3C anti-submarine warfare aircraft from America, one of which will be delivered to Taiwan on 23rd or 24th. They also added, to avoid any problem may happen, the first P-3C to be delivered will be operated by U.S. personnel during the whole journey, accompanied with Taiwan's military personnel. The delivery will be completed until the P-3C lands, and the delivery of all the 12 P-3C anti-submarine warfare aircraft will be completed within the year 2015. Here is CNN Press. See you next time.